Insert the anchor exchange with the anchor through the 3.7 mm scope channel. Create suture slack by extending the anchor exchange past the end cap, then draw back. Prepare to load the anchor by closing the OverStitch handle. Advance the anchor exchange until the anchor clicks onto the needle driver and will not advance further. Press the blue button on the anchor exchange and pull back approximately 1 cm to disengage from the anchor. Open the OverStitch handle. Advance the tissue helix through the 2.8 mm scope channel. Push the blue cross button to expose the helix. Advance the helix to target the appropriate tissue. Using forward pressure, turn the tissue helix knob in the clockwise direction to capture tissue. To ensure a full thickness bite, maneuver the scope left so that the helix is right of the suturing tower. Pull the tissue until it reaches the scope. Close the OverStitch handle to advance the anchor and suture. Advance the anchor exchange over the anchor until the locking mechanism engages. Without pressing the blue button, pull the anchor exchange back to disengage. Turn the tissue helix counterclockwise to release from the tissue. Pull the blue cross button to retract the helix. Finally, open the OverStitch handle. Pull the scope back to create suture slack and prepare for the next suture. Repeat steps for additional full-thickness suture placement.